In this video, I am going to tell you a few tips and tricks on Firefox browser. So let's get started. So if you have a lot of tabs open on your browser, you use your mouse to access any of them, right? But I'm going to tell you a shortcuts which can be used to do this task in much efficient way. So the first shortcut is Command, Option and left right arrow. So this is how you can use them and simply navigate through your multiple tabs. The second shortcut is Command and the number of tab you want to access. So for example, I want to access YouTube, which is in the third tab of my browser. I'll simply press Command and 3. It will take me to the third tab. And the third shortcut is using Control Tab. So this shortcut will show you the small window as well, so that you can easily identify which tab you want to access. And by default it goes from left to right, but if you want to go from right to left, you can use Control Shift Tab. It will navigate from right to left. And also if you want to close any of the tab, just go to that tab and then press Ctrl W. It will close that tab. This feature is not by default enabled on your browsers. You have to enable it manually. How you can do that? Go to Firefox Preferences, and in general setting you have this tabs. Just click on this, tick on this option, which is Control plus Tab, cycle through tab in recently used order. This will actually enable that feature. Okay, so the second trick is one-click search. So nowadays lots of websites have a search bar embedded in their website. So if you take example of Wikipedia, they have a search bar. If you take example of YouTube, they have a search bar. You take example of Facebook, it has a search bar. But searching on these websites, first you have to go to their website and then you can type on this search bar in order to search anything, right? But I'm going to tell you how you can configure a keyword for Firefox to directly search using that keyword inside a particular website. So for example, if you want to search something on Facebook, if you can simply type F and then what you want to search. For example, my name, F, this, it will search this inside Facebook. But for that you have to configure a one-click search in your Firefox. I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So go to the website you want to configure this, like I'll take an example of Wikipedia, right? And then go to the search bar, right click on that search bar. You will see that option called add a keyword for this search. Click on that, give it a name which is Wikipedia and give it a keyword which is WP. Save it, and now if you open a new tab, type WP and search for anything, right? Let's say oil. It will search this inside Wikipedia and show you the result, right? So guys, this works for most of the website, but I was trying it for Facebook, but it was not working. But I found a way. I'll tell you how I was able to do it for Facebook. So just open the Facebook and then I'll tell you why I'm saying it was not working for Facebook. If you go to the Facebook and right click on the search bar, it will not show you that option, right? But still you can do that. I am to tell you how you can do that. Just go to the website and then type something, search for something. You will get this URL. Just copy this URL and then go to bookmark, show all bookmarks menu, and then right click on this empty page, new bookmark, type a name, whatever name you want to give, and then copy the URL. Just copy it, and after Q is equal to, just replace it with $S and then give it a keyword. I am giving it a FB. Save it, close it, and now you can search inside Facebook using this keyword FB. Let's say Jiten. Right, it will show you the results inside the Facebook. So let's start with our third trick, which is helpful when your laptop is actually being used by other family members or your friends. You always want to make sure that your account like Facebook, Gmail are not accessible by them whenever they are using your laptop, right? So if you're using Firefox browser, you can change the setting in Firefox to say whenever I quit my Firefox browser, log me out from all the logged in sessions, right? So how you can do that? Simply go to Firefox. I'll show you. By default it is not configured. So as you can see, I'm logged in to my Facebook account. If I quit Firefox browser and reopen Firefox again, and then go to Facebook. I'm still logged in to my account, right? So now I want to make sure whenever I quit my Firefox browser, it logs me out from all the active sessions. How you can do that? Go to Firefox, click on preferences, and then privacy and security. There is a section called history. Inside that there is a third option, which is clear history when Firefox closes. Just check in that and just click on this cookies section, uncheck everything, and just click on this cookies and save it. And now if you close your Firefox and reopen that, and again go to Facebook, it will actually ask you to again log in inside Facebook before accessing your account, right? But people who like to store their credentials on browser, they will always get these username and password pre-filled whenever they open this website, right? So in that case you will ask what is the benefit, because even if it logs me out, I can, like, other people can still go ahead and do the login, right? So to prevent that, there is another thing that you can configure. Actually, you can configure a master password for all your password, so that whenever you do the login or use any stored username and password inside your browser, you will first be asked to enter your master password in order to access those credentials, right? So in that way you just have to remember one password and not other passwords for your different websites. So how you can configure the master password on your Firefox browser? Go to the preferences, Firefox, and then preferences. In the section of privacy and security, inside logins and password, there is a section called use a master password. Click on that. It will ask you to set up your master password. I'll set up my master password, confirm it, and save it. It says password change successfully. It is changed. To reflect this change, you have to restart your Firefox. I'm restarting my Firefox, and now go to Facebook. So as you can see, it is asking me for a master password in order to access the Facebook account, right? So now I'll enter my master password. Now it will fill up all these credentials and I can go ahead and do the login, right? So the next thing I'm going to tell you is not very much related to Firefox, but is actually useful inside Mac. So many a time you want to actually do multiple things at the same time, right? You want to watch a video, and as well as you want to browse your Facebook, or you want to read some article on Quora, you want to access your Twitter while watching your YouTube videos, right? But in that case you have to like switch between tabs, right, in order to, because both the things cannot be done in parallel. One is to watch video, other is to read something online. So that way you can still do that inside your Mac by using a split screen feature inside Mac. So how you can do that? For doing that, you have to first open both of them in a different window. So I'll take out in a different window, and now my Facebook is in a different window. Make a full screen of both of them, and I'll go to Facebook as well, do the full screen. So now both of them are in full screen. Just open mission control. So the shortcut for this is you just have to swipe up using your 3 fingers on your trackpad inside your Mac. It will open the mission control, and you have to just drag and drop of, like, you just have to drag one page on the other. It will actually merge them together, and now you can actually use like Facebook in parallel to your videos, right? So you can make it full screen,
community transmission.
You can navigate through any other website as well.